you did.
I did?
Yes, you did.
Okay, you ready to be on the movie?
Yeah.
Okay, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to read The Spider and the Fly
The flag?
by Mary Howitt, right?
No, not Mary Howitt.
Okay, you ready?
Mary Howitt.
Okay. Will you walk into my parlor? Said the spider to the fly. 'Tis the prettiest little parlor that you ever did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show you when you are there. Curious in this case means interesting. I have many interesting things to show you. Oh, no, no, said the little fly. To ask me is in vain, for who goes up your winding stair can ne'er come down again. I'm sure you must be weary, dear, with soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed? Said the to the
Fly.
There are pretty curtains drawn around. The sheets are fine and thin. And if you'd like to rest a while, I'll snugly tuck you in. Oh, no, no, said the little fly, for I've often heard it said, they never, never wake again who sleep upon your bed. Said the cunning spider to the fly. What does cunning mean? Tricky. Dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection? What does affection mean? To show your love, right?
Mm-hmm.
What can I do to prove the warm affection I've always felt for you? I have within my pantry good store of all that's nice. I'm sure you're very welcome. Will you please to take a slice? Oh, no, no, said the little fly. Kind sir, that cannot be. I've heard what's in your pantry, and I do not wish to see. Pantry is like a kitchen closet where you keep more food. Sweet creature, said the spider, you're witty and you're wise. How handsome are your gauzy wings, how brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf. What's a looking glass? You know what a looking glass is? It's another name for a mirror. If you'd step in one moment, dear, you shall behold yourself. I thank you, gentle sir, she said, for what you're pleased to say, and bidding you good morning now, I'll call another day. The spider turned him round about, that means he turned around, and went into his den. That's where the spider lives, his den. For well he knew the silly fly would soon come back again. So he wove a subtle web in a little corner sly, and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. Then he came out to his door again, and merrily did sing, come hither, hither, pretty fly, with the pearl and silver wing. Come hither, that means come here. Your robes are green and purple. There's a crest upon your head. Your eyes are like the diamond bright, but mine are dull as lead. Alas, alas, how very soon this silly little
Fly.
Fly, hearing his wily, flattering words, came slowly flitting by. With buzzing wings she hung aloft, then near and nearer drew, thinking only of her brilliant eyes and green and purple hue, thinking only of her crested head. Poor foolish thing, at last up jumped the cunning spider and fiercely held her fast. He dragged her up his winding stair into his dismal den. Dismal means very sad. Within his little parlor, but she ne'er came out again. There she is. And now, dear little children who may this story
Fly.
read, to idle, silly, flattering words I pray you ne'er give
He.
heed. Unto an evil
Counselor.
close heart and ear and eye, and take a lesson from this
To
tale of the
where
and the
fly.
fly. The end. Did you like that one?
Mhm.
Good boy. Who loves you? Mommy loves you, right?